girl SHEJACKIESAYS, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman.
What's cooking, what's poppin', SGS Nation, SGS fam, it's your favorite girl, SHEJACKIESAYS, and I am back once again on your screens with another video. In today's video, we will be touring a 5-star hotel in Takoradi called Raybow Hotel. So this hotel, to stay there for a night is 400 to 500 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to $85. Rooms are splendid and I really enjoyed my stay there. So let's have a quick tour. And this is the hotel room that I stayed in. This is the space area, and one thing I loved about this place is the view that I had from my window. And it has a TV, it has literally everything a hotel room needs to have. I enjoy the Wi-Fi services, so let's just enjoy the room view. And yeah. My room to the place. This is a view from my room to the poolside. Oh my god. So guys, this is the view outside my room and I really enjoy the view. And let's just go outside and have a proper look at how the place really looks like. Alright there guys, so basically what am I even saying? I think I've shown you the rooms, how the rooms look like. I think it depends on the room, but the room I was in, it's quite okay, quite affordable. I've shown you the pool area, I've shown you their mini apartments that they have around. I think they also have apartments around apart from the normal hotel rooms and all those kind of stuff. So you just see your preference. And yeah, so this is one beautiful place. I don't know, I don't know what to say, but I never knew Takoradi was so beautiful. The town is way too expanded, and there are lots and lots of nice and amazing buildings around. As you can see, there are a whole lot of nice and amazing buildings around. I went to Atlantic Beach and Atlantic Hotel, and now this is Raybow Hotel, which is also on the beach road at Takoradi. And I'm chilling for you guys. I'm just here to vlog for you guys, and yeah, I'm just feeling the way the place is. It's so amazing.
Strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIESAYS. Looking so fly, SHEJACKIESAYS. Young YouTuber, always on the tube, trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way. Yes, no way. Always in the zone, always in the prime zone. King of queens, looking like a pro, killing every shows with no stress. Dark skin girl, looking so fly. SJS family. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIESAYS. Looking so fly, SHEJACKIESAYS. Young YouTuber, always on the tube, trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way.
Alright there guys, so I'll be ending my video here at the Raybow beach. What am I saying beach? I'm used to going to beach hotel, so I'll be ending my trip at the Raybow hotel. And you guys have seen the place. Chalet is really a nice place. You guys need to come here. It's affordable, yes, and I'm about to go. So thank you guys for watching this video. It's still your favorite girl, SHEJACKIESAYS, your hostess with the mostest, bringing you the hottest, the juiciest, and I am out. Peace guys.
Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. Everywhere she goes.